Just had to wait for the street sweeper to go by. But I got a call this morning for some help, so we're gonna head out. I'll show you where we're going in a bit, or when we get there. Alright guys, sorry I had to do a real quick intro there, but we'll get back to it. This is day 2 on Daydream Garage. But today we're not in the garage, we're gonna run out to a hot rod shop down here in Temecula. I'm from Paris, just a little couple towns away, but down in Temecula I got called by one of my own bosses, and we're going to go down and see a really cool car. I have asked him if I could even show it or talk about it. I don't know what he wants to do with that, but we'll get down there right now and see what needs to be done on it, see if we can help him out. Thought it'd be a cool little thing to video. I'll get back to you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we're just getting down here in Temecula at the hot rod shop. I'll show you their banner in a minute when we get there so you know more or less who they are. I worked with him for about a year, and now I just come and help him when he needs my help. I like to stick around. Oh, I think I took down the wrong street. Let's come back. So it was just around the corner. We're back now. Just had to go around the corner and check it out. Here we go. Alright guys, we're down here at OC Rods and Customs in Temecula, California. Came down to check out that beautiful car in the background back there. I don't know if you can see it yet. These are just some of his rides. A nice El Camino. Not too sure what this thing is, maybe a Dart. Nice Model A. These are all for sale. If you want to come down and check out a nice ride. Ooh, that thing's nice. But we're gonna do a little video, check out this car. Show you around it, things that needs done. I don't know if it's open, but we'll check it out. You guys are working on it right now, getting it ready for a show this weekend. Just came in. It's pretty much barn fresh, as you can say. Super beautiful. So needs a dump fix and some wiring fixed. Definitely wiring is screwed, but I'm gonna help these guys out, get the parts, and get over here and get this thing together for them. If you want to come out and see this thing, I'll show a picture in a little bit of the show they're going to this weekend to show this thing. A little bit more around the shop. Like I said, down here at OC Rods Customs in Temecula, California. Worked for him for about a year. I might have to just come back and work for him again because this is just beautiful. You got so much going on. Did a lot of work on this thing when it was in the shop at the other location. This thing I think got bagged or some coilovers in the front. Beautiful Impala right here, and I'm sure for some work. But yeah, we're gonna get going back home now, get some talking with them, see what we need to do, show you a little more of these sweet rides. If you guys are in the area, like I said, Temecula, California, come down and give them a check out if you have any of that work done. Shop bays. Beautiful, beautiful rides in here. I don't know where you're gonna see another one of these at, but it is sweet. Said I'm gonna get heading back home now. Get looking at what I need for parts for this thing, and yeah, look at that thing. Just get away from this compressor. Just awesome, guys. But I'll show you some more video when we get the parts for this thing and get it worked on. These guys are just going away on it, doing some awesome work. All right, heading back home. All right guys, came straight over to Hoppo's, See if I can get these parts figured out that I need for that Impala over at OC Rods. Yeah, let's go in there real quick and see what else. I'm gonna talk to Vic real quick at Hoppo's. They do have what I need for the caps. I'm gonna have to hit up a homie for the Adele that I'm looking for, and some batteries. I need 8 batteries. I'm gonna go stop by the homie's house on my way home. Maybe he might have some, hopefully, because Hoppo's is out. But yeah, let's see what we can get going here. Alright guys, end of the video. Kind of abrupt yesterday. Wanted to come back, do some video today. I'm gonna put the chains on this back real quick this morning. After that, work on the brake lines. But yesterday we went and seen that Impala. It's gonna be at this show. We're gonna try to get it going by then. Have to go wire up some wiring for batteries and do some dumps, but I'm waiting for some parts. We'll get back on that as soon as we get the parts and get back over there videoing that. It's gonna be pretty cool. I just want to get some more videos so I can end this video and see. Probably do a little video in here and there. I'm just putting these chains on right now. But for now, I'm gonna probably get back to you guys in a bit. Get set up, do some grinding, cleaning, and we'll go from there. Alright, so these are the tabs we're going to use. Some simple tabs, simple chain links, simple chain. Going to mount it back here on the back side of the axle, up to the front of the frame. It's a few inches in front of the where I'm going to mount the, so mount it on the axle so that it can drape over the axle and not drag when it's down. So yeah, just had to grind this up. Still gotta clean these off. This nasty thing up here, and frame actually needs to be cleaned up a bit too still. But mount chain right here, up to there. That should stop it from getting too high a block up. Oh. All right, be back in a bit. I'm gonna get these tacked up. Alright, got those tacked in place here. Check that out. Got one there. It's a little slanted so that the chain's not pulling directly down. It's going to be pulling a little slanted towards this one. You can tell it's kind of going to be a little slanted. So when it goes down, the chain can drape over the axle and not drag. Should work. I didn't plate the frame up here, but we're just trying to get this thing done. It's not going to be crazy hopping. If it rips off, we'll plate it after. But it wasn't plated before. I don't feel like plating it now. Alright, come back on here, show you guys what we got going. Mount there, and come up leaning a little bit to the front mount. There it is there. We'll probably cut it a couple links longer just in case you want to go up a little bit higher, but I doubt it will. So, we might just cut it off there. Getting pretty way too high lockup actually, so see this spring starts going too crazy. That's the issue. Might have to put a sleeve up here to keep this from going crazy cockeyed, and I think that would help probably. You can maybe keep this kind of setup going so it keeps that bounce. But yeah, hey, you can see one chain's in, the other side's gonna be a struggle. I gotta clean up a mess over there of a mess. Tell me a joke. Phone's talking to me in my pocket. Yeah, gotta clean up a brake mess over there. As you can see, that leaked out all last night. I'll show you. All of this leaked out from the brake drum. So most likely the cylinder in there is probably leaking. But yeah, and then this side needs to be cleaned up some more. So I could put the chains on this side. But we're gonna do that later on today. I'm gonna go grab these parts for that Impala and go run over there and do that. Probably not gonna video much of it. We'll see. Just left Hoppo's, heading back over here to Temecula to work on that Impala. Got a wiring kit and some other parts. So we're back at the hot rod shop. We're gonna fix up the wiring on this thing. You can tell that wiring is not up to par. And see what's all up with this stuff in the dumps. Had to help unload a couple cars. This place is busy. So I'm gonna jump on this. I'm not gonna freaking video much of it and get it done. So maybe show you the end product. Alright, bye. Alright, so we're at the end of the day. Got the solenoids wired up. Got the dumps wired up. So we don't have no batteries. We only have 3 batteries right now. So I'll charge those up, take them home, come back tomorrow and see if we can get this thing up and moving and pull it off the trailer tomorrow. Yeah, battery looks a lot better. Said we're getting wheels on it right now. Start seeing it come together. This thing's gonna be awesome. So Stanza got towed today. Didn't have it registered in my name. I drive without a license at the moment. I got a seatbelt ticket 3 years ago, and they took my license because I didn't pay the seatbelt ticket of $700. So yeah, luckily some workers, Rory, shout out to you, shout out to Steve at OC Rods for seeing what happened, and Rory came save me, because if not, I'll probably be in jail right now. They totally freaking, I don't know, profiled me or whatever, threw me in the cuffs, threw me in the car, towed the Stanza, and luckily Rory pulled up, told them my same story I told them, you know, working, just got the vehicle, obviously, and things happen, but that's alright, I'm cool with it. Take my losses, take my wins, I'm good with it. I'll get the car back real quick. The battery's on charger for the Impala. I'll be back over there in the morning. This is the end of this video. We're gonna start a new video tomorrow. This is life. I take it as it comes. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow.